everyone, my name is Andin Salma Salsabila from the Nusantara University. Today I would like to present my research entitled Firm Size, Firm Profitability, Capital Structure, and ESG Disclosure Implication from Firm Value. Material sector play a strategic role in supporting Indonesian industrial growth. However, this sector also faces increasing pressure to maintain financial performance while implementing sustainability business practice. Although ESG investing has become more prominent in Indonesia, the performance of the IDX ESG Leader and Srika Harti Index has not consistently outperformed the Jakarta Composite Index. This indicate that investor has not yet shown a consistent response toward ESG performance. At the same time, the average Tobin Q of basic material companies declined during the 2021 to 2024 period, indicating weakening firm value. Therefore, the study investigate the effect of firm value, profitability, capital structure, and ESG disclosure on firm value. The object of this study is to examine the effect of firm size, profitability, capital structure, and ESG disclosure on the firm value of basic material companies listed on the Indonesian Stock Exchange. This study employed a quantitative approach using secondary data obtained from annual report and sustainability report covering the period from 2021 to 2024. Using purposive sampling, the study selected 34 companies, resulting in the 116 balance panel observation. The data were analyzed using panel data regression in FU14, and based on the Chow enhancement test, the weight fixed effect model with correlation weight was selected as the most approached estimation model. This figure illustrates the conceptual framework of this study. Based on signaling theory and stakeholder theory, this study proposed four hypotheses that especially firm size, profitability, capital structure, and ESG disclosure are expected to positive influence firm value. This table summarizes the hypothesis testing result. The finding reveal that firm size has significant negative effect on firm value, leading the rejection of the first hypothesis. In contrast, profitability and capital structure has significant positive effect on firm value. Therefore, the second and third hypotheses are support. Meanwhile, ESG disclosure show has a significant negative effect on firm value, resulting in the rejection of the fourth hypothesis. Furthermore, the regression model is statistically significant with profitability value of less than 0.001 and adjusted R-square of 0.9558, indicating that the model explaining 95.58% of the variation in firm value. The findings suggest the investor in basic material sector continue to prioritize financial fundamental over sustainability disclosure. Higher profitability and an optimal capital structure are interpreted as positive market signal and strengthen investor confidence and increase firm value. Conversely, larger companies do not necessarily receive higher market valuation because investors place greater emphasis on how efficient corporate assets and utilized. In addition, ESG disclosure might still be perfect on short-term financial burn rather than immediate source of value creation. This study provides several important implications for company, improving operational effectively, maintaining an optimal capital structure, and integrating ESG into long-term business strategies and essential for enhancing value. For investor investment, decision will be considered both financial performance and sustainability factors rather than relying on a single performing indicator. Finally, the strategy and requirement to extend to observation will include additional external variable and examine other industrial sectors to improve the generation of the finding.